travelers, and welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. If you are new to the channel, this morning we are waking up in beautiful Hua Hin Thailand at the Movenpick Resort. In my last video, I actually did a tour of the resort as well as our suite here, so definitely check that out if you're heading to the area. I'll link it in the description down below. Today though, we're actually heading off resort. We are heading about 20-25 minutes south of the resort where we're staying to the Wat Khao Takiap area, as well as hoping to hit up a bit of a night market. So if you are interested in sticking around for that adventure, hit that like and that subscribe button and come along with us as we explore the area and bring you along for all the fun. So yeah, let's go. Wat Khao Takiap is a popular temple for visitors to Hua Hin, as it offers beautiful views of the coastline below, as well as other temples in the distance. Another draw to this spot though is the hundreds of monkeys that call the hilltop home, and unlike monkeys that we have seen in the past, these monkeys weren't so aggressive at all, at least not with us, maybe a little bit with each other. So the deal is, there was an angry mess of monkeys on the other way down, the way we came out. So we're coming this way, where there's, if you can believe it, less monkeys. But at least they're happy monkeys. We'll let these guys clear the way. Well, thank you. From Khao Takiab, we made our way back north on foot, even though there were lots of taxis available at the bottom of the hill. Not as many small shops in the area as we thought, but Derek did stop for a banana roti. These are by far his favorite street food in Thailand, I think, and cost less than $1. Got it.
I gotta get to it.
Derek's favorite. It's windy. Our last stop of the day was Cicada Market, a popular outdoor market with food and handicrafts open every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. The food court here operates using coupons purchased at entry, so we recommend doing a lap first to figure out how much you'll need, and then come back for your coupons before you eat. We found the food here was all so good, and I even found khao soi, my favorite northern Thai dish, which I can rarely find done well. So, bravo, Cicada Market. now from our afternoon of adventures around Hua Hin. Really glad that we managed to make some time to leave the resort today, even though it was a little bit cloudy and overcast, threatening some rain, storms, that type of thing. Definitely still worth taking the risk, and I hope that you guys enjoyed the views and the adventures as well. In my next video, we are actually going to be leaving Hua Hin and heading onwards in our adventures. So if you are interested in traveling around Thailand, or you're just looking for some inspiration and haven't already, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. There's a ton of Thailand content here on this channel from this trip as well as others, and I can't wait to bring you along with us for the rest of our adventures. Until I see you next Sunday though, stay great, travel safe, and I'll see you in the next one.